Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Airpods are connected and set as the active audio device. This matters because Siri uses the active output. Once connected, open Settings and search for Announce Notifications. You do this now because the global toggle controls whether any alerts are read aloud. Make sure iOS is updated. Older versions hide options. Once in the Announce Notifications panel, you'll see a master switch, an app list. Toggle the master to proceed to per app controls. Once in the panel, go through the app list and disable Announce for apps that read unwanted alerts. This prevents calls, texts, or third-party notifications from being spoken. Next, open Siri and search to confirm Announce Notifications permissions and whether messages can be auto-read. Also inspect any focus or do not disturb exceptions. Make sure the app isn't allowed in a focus mode. This combination of per app toggles and Siri permissions gives precise control over what reaches your ears. You finish by testing. Send a test message or trigger a notification while wearing the Airpods, then confirm nothing is announced. If something still plays, revisit the app's Announce toggle and focus exceptions because a focus allow list can override app settings. As a final tip, try Do Not Disturb or a focus mode to silence all reads instantly. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart your iPhone, or reset the Airpods. These steps clear stale permissions and often fix lingering behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.